Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the SGIN-X15 laptop, a sleek and powerful device that caught my attention. First off, the performance is top-notch, thanks to the quad-core Intel Celeron N5095 processor. With a turbo frequency of up to 2.9 GHz, it ensures a lag-free experience, even during demanding tasks. The laptop boasts a generous 12 GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 512 GB SSD, making multitasking a breeze and ensuring quick responsiveness. Plus, there's room for expansion with a 512 GB TF card slot. The extensive interface options, including mini HDMI, 2x USB 3.0, and a micro SD card slot, cater to all your connectivity needs. Moving on to the display, the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 delivers sharp text and vivid colors. Whether you're working, studying, or enjoying multimedia content, this laptop's display won't disappoint. Portability is another highlight, with a slim 2 cm body and a lightweight 1.69 kg design, making it easy to carry around. The advanced 38,000 mAh rechargeable battery ensures a long-lasting 8 hours of battery life, perfect for users on the go. SGIN goes the extra mile with their after-sales service, offering a worry-free 365 days warranty. If you encounter any issues, they promise a quick response within 12 hours. In conclusion, the SGIN-X15 laptop strikes a balance between efficient performance, a beautiful display, and portability. It's a reliable companion for various tasks, and with its sleek design, it's definitely worth considering for your next laptop upgrade. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.